Hi everyone, I just wanted to remind you guys that we are hosting two very important training sessions here at REMAX Success in Mississauga. The first part, we're going to be talking about pre-construction properties, where Ali, right there, our broker of record who has years of experience, is going to teach you his tips and tricks on how to locate the best pre-construction properties and how to help your clients make money on the return of investment. The second part we're going to talk about is open houses. How do you conduct a proper open house? We're going to go through scripts, and right there with the cool glasses, that's Spencer. He's our marketing guy, and he will teach you how to be able to advertise yourself on social media. So tomorrow, the address is located right there. Come and register. Seats are limited, so there is a certain amount of people that we can hold for the training session tomorrow. Let me know if you're interested, and we are here to help you so that you can help your clients. My name again here is Diamond, and I work with REMAX Success. As you know, I also do mortgages, rent-to-own programs. So if you have any questions about mortgages, I'll be here to help you as well. Bye.